Hi, Sam here. Today I'm going to take the Class SIX double tilting sliding table saw for a test drive. And I am here to tell you this is a grade A prime slider. Now, let's start with some panel processing. The overhead control panel and the powered movements are standard in the USA. In the USA, we also make 3 LCD readouts on the crosscut fence standard. Here you can see me beveling the blade 45 degrees to the right. And now I'll bring the blade 45 degrees to the left. Another great feature we make standard in the USA is the Compex Outrigger support. With this outrigger, when you angle the crosscut fence, it will automatically compensate the distance to the cut point of the blade so that you don't also have to readjust your flip stops when you angle the fence. Pretty slick. getting back to your square setting is so easy that you can joke around with the crew and your fellow workers while you reset it into the quick lock brace. And now, after a little instruction, our young Padawan makes his first cut on a slider. Easy breezy. Thank you for watching.